main thing. So yesterday we have uh, s- at string operations. Okay, what is a string? A string is a sequence of a character which is having a one or more characters. Okay, so now we have studied about a length and slice methods. So like that, we are going for the other methods too as well. Okay, so now what are the last programs we have studied? Just I want to open this one, D drive, stream training batches. Now December 2023, JS, CMD, code. See, whatever I'm telling, no, if you practice that much means, then you will clear an interview. See, don't go for the complete reference or something like that. So if you want to go for in-depth means, I will give one proper document or this one. If you just go for the Mozilla JavaScript. So if you want to do deeper way, so here they will give all complete. So something we can say universal standard. So here you will get all the JavaScript in depth if you want to learn. Okay, so this is up to you. Uh, so or else for the interview purpose, job purpose, and work purpose. So this is a no need to prepare other thing. Whatever I told you, just prepare that. Okay, fine. So now the last program was index 7, close settings. So we'll change the font size to save it. Okay, right click, open with the live server. So we have studied about a text slice method. What is a slice? Slice is it's a cutting a string. Okay, so there are two properties are there, the start index and the end index. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. Okay, JavaScript, what you can say a slice method. So next is what slice means what? It's like a mango slice. If you want to cut some thing, so you are going to be saying a slice method. Just a minute. Okay, so ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನಾನು
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
ಲಿಂಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿರುತ್ತಾ? ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್.
ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್
ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ. Okay, so now here slice method. The next slice means what? We are going to be cut a slice or a part of a string. So this is a we already discussed. The next will come substring method. Okay, so substring is there and sub str is there. So there are almost all similar. There is a slice, sorry, slight difference is there. Uh, the the substring and the slice are same, but It is the difference is the counting is starting from the zero in a substring, and you cannot do the negative value. So here you want to do from the -4. You see here -4. See, it is printing a Bentley. So what is a Bentley? From the -4 means it is going to be take from here. Okay. Okay, so this is how it is going to be a work. So we are going to go with the substring method. For that, constant uh, text 4 equals to, I will take a same value. See, values are same, but variable is different. You have a value same, but if you go for a text 4, this one it will display. If you go for the text 1, it will display this one. Okay. The next is what? Constant. What is this? Sub str val. Okay, I taken a one value. Then what is the string? The text 4 is a my string. So this is a text 4. Text 4 dot sub str, sorry, substring bracket, from where I want to start from OD 0 1 2 3 4 5 5 to after. Okay, 5, and we'll give some count like a 10 character or something like that. Save it. It is going to be take a substring. So only difference with the sub str and the slice is it is treating as a zero also one character. Okay. So what I want to say means the if you gap also with the starting is treated as a zero or a one character. So here first we'll see the output CLG or else document dot write of, I want to the sub str string is, what is the value? Sub str value. What it is doing? It is doing a sub str. From where is sub str? Here it is going to be cut here. Okay, so this is a substring it will do. So this value it is going to be print here. So let's see the output. We'll go here. Okay, so we'll add a some break here. Break means what? It is going to be break the line. The sub str string is RD. How? 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after uh, here what happens? So this is the double quote is just treated as a 0, means it's a neglected value. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here here what happens? So substring and sub slice are almost all similar. So only thing we are going to be a index value changing, that is the only matters. Okay, so and next is what a sub str. Okay, so you just have a value slice and sub str you are not using, but more, but just you should have an idea about. Okay, the sub str instance. So slice is done, sub str is done, so substring is done. Sub str what it will do? It will same. Okay, I don't want to write here. It will take the first index. Remaining, it will be treated as how many characters. Okay, so it will not take the second value. So it is the number of a character it is going to be printed. Okay, so earlier what happens? This is a start index and it is a end index. But this is a start index and a number of characters. Okay, same method if you write here sub str, save it, run it. See here, the 10 character it is displayed. Why? Because it is going to be print for the index if it is having a substring. If it is a sub str, it is a number of characters. Okay, so if you have just have that idea means that's more enough. So you have an example here. You just go through it. String and string method. So these are majorly there's three are the major things. So if you want to have you have so many things. Caret, like that. Many strings are there. Okay, so we are going to be cover some of the top one. Okay, so what are all the top one in the sense? So let's say I want to, what you can say, replacing a string. So what is a replacing a string? So what I will do, constant str1 equals to welcome to web de- development program. Okay, programming or program. Okay, so what happens? I want to replace this string. The constant str2 equals to constant str2 equals to str1 dot sorry, str1 dot c replace. Okay, so if you want to find what all the methods after a string you can just put enter. So these are all the methods are there. Okay, these are all the string methods. So if you want to learn all the string method means, so you can just go through it. Okay, so we are not going for all the all the examples. So which are all the important, so that is we are going to be covering. The string replace. Okay, the uh, replace, then there are two things we need to replace. The one is what to replace and where to replace. First, I want to take this replace this string with what? Full stack development. Okay, this is the a full stack development. Save it. So what is the string one? String one contains the welcome to this one. Okay, first we'll print this one. Document dot write of the string str1 is, so it is going to be print the what string s1 contains. The second one is a sorry, so document dot write of the string str2 is str2 to after replacement. Just I want to run this program. We will go here. See here, the string str1 is a welcome to web development is there. So once I do perform a replacement, this is the string str replacement welcome to full stack development. The web development is replaced with a full stack development. How it is happening here? This is a string str1, it is containing this string, and str2, so it is one temporary variable. It is going to be replace the web development. It is going to be search for the web development and replace with the full stack development. Okay, so this is how it will works. So this is called a string replace. Okay, so then we have majorly about making a uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. So just I want to show here uh, document dot write of sorry, see what is this? This string is containing a small encapsulator. So if you want to make it as an uppercase, how to do? The constant str3 equals to str1 dot two uppercase is a method. Okay, already lowercase is there to uppercase. So this is the method. So str1 sorry is a string value, so that is made to the uppercase. You have a small letter, right? So what is the output? So then uh, document dot write of the string str3 after uppercase. Okay, so here the str3 will be there. Go save it. So what is happening here? The constant s3 I have taken one variable. So that variable is storing a str1 to uppercase. So str1 is a variable I am making uppercase. So those once I done uppercase, all the values I am dumping to the s3. So that s3 is the displaying here. We'll go here. See here. Uh, this is the what is the welcome to web development is a small letter is there. But here it is changing uppercase. Here it is a small is there, small and caps, but it is completely doing a capital letter. So what is the string value? The string value is a s3. So here what I will do, document dot write of. Okay, so I will do the string s3 after lowercase. I will do here str3 dot to lowercase. Save it. Will reload. See here. Here the string is the lowercase is the lower and uppercase is there. We have done a uppercase here. So what is the string value? That is str3. So again those string is converted into lowercase. That is a str3 local lowercase. Okay, so this is how to made a lowercase and uppercase. So there is a one more is there is a concatenate is there. So if you want to concatenate a string, how to concatenate? So this is a one string str welcome to web development program. I will take a yes constant str5 equals to complete a full stack program. Okay, so I want to concatenate both the str5 and str1. So for that I will take a constant str6 is one more variable. Then str1 dot c concat of uh, what is this one, str5. So here you want to make a some space means, so you can add a some space here after this text. Save it. So what is a str5? Complete a full stack programming language. Okay, here it is. And what is the str1? The str1 is a welcome to web development program. So then after concat means what? Adding. So that is stored into an S6. So in the S6, see document dot write of br the str6 after concatenating is a str6. Save it. So here what happens? str1 concatenated with the str5. What is the str5? This one. So that is str1 is added to str5. So that is stored into an str6. So that is here going to be in here. See here. The str1 is a welcome to development program. So here it is welcome to programming, and str5 is a welcome to sorry, complete the full stack program like this. So it is going to be concatenation. What is a concatenation means? It is going to be add one each other. Okay, so this is how it will works. These are all the string methods. If you want to learn, so many are there, but we are just giving a hint. So you can search the same search method is there. Last index means which is the last index of this specified character. First index. Index of means if you want to find the index of any value, then you can go for the index. So these are all the same methods. You just have a practice. Okay. So if you want to see what all the methods are there, so just go here, str1 dot. So you can find all the methods. If you want to go for anything, so if you just go through a specific one and work on it. Okay. So this is how it will works. The next is what the uh, number methods. Again, same numbers also same thing. Not a number, number as a string. Precision. Precision means a decimal number and all is there. You just look this because these are all the not that much important, but you should have an idea of this one. The next is the major thing is an array. Okay, what is an array? Why we need an array? Okay, see, array is a similar type of to store a similar type of data. We are going to be use an array. Okay, so why when we need? So I want to take one more file that is a index8.html and doc, save it, and h2 arrays. Save it, script constant name equals to I want to take a string array virat Rohit Dinesh. Okay, so this is how this is the array because we want to store a more than one or two value, then we are going with an array. Okay, then how to print? Okay, then one question is there, why we need an array? Okay, I will give an example. So we can store a variable only, right? So we are defining a variable here. So constant string or let text. We can define, no? Yes. If I want to define a name means I have to define like variable name equals to first one is what? Virat. Again constant name one equals to Rohit. So this is the method you need to define a variable. But I don't want to specify every time variable name is. You can just remove this one. Go with this approach. Okay. So we have a name and the cricketer name. So if you want to be specific, if I go for the cricketer names. Okay. Then how to print this one? So if I want to print this document dot write of cricketer names. Save it. We'll go to the index8.html. We'll go here. We'll go here. Index 7 we have removed. Index 8. See how it is printing. Okay. Then how the storage is happened. So we got to know how it is printing. Then how the storage is done. Yes. The storage it is going to be start with the index 0. Means it is every item is stored with an index. Virat is stored with the 0. Rohit is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you are going to be display the array names and allocate the array numbers. Why we need an array? See, I want to display the Manish. I don't want all those things. I want to display only Manish. What is the Manish location? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So just go here, cricketer names, bracket, pass a 3 value. Save it. We'll go here. See, the Manish Pandey is different. How Manish Pandey is defined? It is going for the 0, 1, 2, 3. But you have a question, sir. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, but we mentioned the 3. It is printing. How? Yes. So here what happens? I have a cricketer list, and it is going to be printer with a cricketer index. So here what happens? The first element is treated as a 0. See, is not his performance, is a value or an indication value. So this is for the 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you mention a 3, so then it is going to be printed the fourth value because it is going to be started with 0. So if you mention an array with a 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have mentioned the specific index, it is going to be printed. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why 3 is different. I want to display the row with 0, 1. So just remove this index. See, row with it is going to be printed. Okay, so this is called a JavaScript array. So you can different ways to method a create. Okay, so creating a array object, so many things are there. Okay, we are going to be discuss later. So array object means what? You are going to be create with a new operator. Okay, so that is I think we have defined here by array. So accessing the array element means you are going to be pass the index value. Creating an array element, then you have to pass the opal. Opal where it is sitting? It is sitting at a sab. Okay, so just we are going to be add a one item. Okay, uh, for this, it is printing all the item. Then constant cricketers array bracket for a location in the Dinesh. Okay, so what is the location? 0, 1, 2. For the location 2 is equals to I want to change something called Virat Rohit Dinesh ABD. Sorry, or ABD. So I think same, right? Yeah, constant score of 0. Okay, okay. So here, let okay. So I think same. Yeah, sorry, mistake is there. Okay. For the location too, it is going to be add a ABD. So this is a zeroth location, one location for Dinesh is going to be replaced with the ABD. Save it. We will go here. Yeah. Okay. So then I need to print this one, right? See, document dot write of not cricketers of two, just I want to print the cricketers because we added to this cricketers array with a location to the value abd. Okay, so then it is going to be printer. So we need to give some meaningful text here. The item added to array is save it. We'll go here. Okay, we'll add a some break here. Virat, Rohit, Dinesh, Manish. This is the so the item is added here. Virat, Rohit, ABD. See here. Instead of a Dinesh place, we added a ABD. So this is called the array pushing with an index value. Okay, so we can have a n number of array methods. So we can define. So you can define an array also as an object. How? We need to use a new operator, or else we can use a keep here value. So this is the array, but this is an object because we are using a keep here value. Okay, so this is the how to use a arrays. Okay, so here it is the examples are there. You just have a look on this one. Okay, the arrays is there. Then the array sort. So if you want to sort in ascending order and descending order, okay, there you are going to do array sort methods. So constant car Saab, Volvo, BMW, constant cars Toyota, Volvo, BMW. So if you want to sort means, so if you use the object name dot sort method. So how to do this one? Document dot write off. Sorry, first we'll go for the break break the line. What is this one? Sorting array. The sort an array is plus cricketer names dot sort. Okay, save it. We'll go here. Just see here. The first one is here Virat. What is alphabetically? We should be in the last. A ABD is a plus because A alphabet is the first. Next will be M. Then M N O P Q R and S T U V. So that's why the Virat is dumped to here. So this is called a sorting an array. Okay, so this is a how to sort an array. We have a different methods, so you can just practice it. The next is a date. So why we need a date? If you just go for a Google it, JS date methods or else a jQuery. See if you might go for the full year, month, date or anything. Date jQuery. If you just go here jQuery, so a date and time methods. So you will get a many different types of dates and methods. Sorry. What is the methods and all? You have like a DD, MM, YY, uh, YY, MM, DD, or DD, MM, YY, four times. So these are all the different date methods. Okay. So here we have discussed here how to define a date and all. So that is the, if you just go here, so new date, so you just go to create, and if you want these parameters you can pass here, and you can, if you want millisecond in a date, take millisecond. If you want to get a date as a string, you can get a date as a string here. So just I want to take a constant, a d equals to new date. So as we observed, so this is going to be create a date from the system. Now the D is containing a date all operations. So here what happens? A document dot write of D dot, see you will get all the these methods. Okay, D is an object. Get date is a one method. Save it. We'll go here. Okay, so index 8, index 8. Uh, okay, so I need to print a, date, right? So here there is a just print a date here, T here. Save it. See, this is the Wednesday. This is the standard time. So if you want to add a some string here, add a some break here. Save it. We'll go here. See here, Wednesday, Jan 3, 2024, 412. Okay, 3 Jan 2024 and 442. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work a date functionality. So if you want to get a full year or date or month or anything, you are going to be get by this method. Okay, so if you want to see here, d dot, you have a get date and get year, everything, millisecond, minutes, get month. So everything you will get here. uh, get month. Why zero means, so this is the January is there. So I will get seconds. Save it, run it. See 15 seconds. So if you want to uh, get a day, what day today it is? Wednesday. Yeah, 3 means it is telling a value 3. So this is all the different methods of the date. Okay, so fine. I think today this much is enough. So hope you practice all the topics. If you practice this much, no, then more enough to clear the interview, and it is more enough to work for the project. Okay, so I think you people don't have a doubts. I think so. If you have a doubt, so you can feel free to ask a question. And if you go for the React, it will become a very difficult. I am telling no, practice it. I am going to be give the assignments on the sorry, JavaScript. So you have to be completed. You have to complete on that one. So for that you should know well HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Hardly by next week onwards, I'm going to be give the assignments for on the JavaScript. Or the Friday also, I will give some assignment for in the weekends. Okay, so this is all about today's session of JavaScript. We are going with the next day with some other topics. So this is the next topic. Okay, so by that time, so please do practice again and telling 10 topics daily, 10 topics daily. Okay, fine. So we'll stop this session. We'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you.